Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever stop to think about what life was like, say, 4.6 million years ago? We're talking ancient times, long before humans as we know them. A world brimming with incredible creatures and monumental challenges. Today, we're diving deep into that forgotten era to uncover a fascinating story. How ivory, yes, the very material we recognize today, became an indispensable weapon for survival for some of Earth's most magnificent beasts. Imagine a world vastly different from our own. Dense forests, sprawling grasslands, and a constant struggle for dominance. In this primordial soup of life, one particular group of animals, the Proboscideans, ancestors of modern elephants and mammoths, were already making their mark. But how did they navigate such a perilous existence? How did they protect themselves, find food, and secure their place in the ecosystem? The answer, in large part, lies in their tusks. These aren't just big teeth, folks. These are evolved, specialized tools that turned the tide of survival. Early proboscideans began developing elongated, often curved incisors, which we now call tusks. Initially, these might have been for digging up roots and tubers, a vital food source in lean times. Think of them as nature's ultimate spork, digging, praying, and foraging, all in one powerful package. This adaptation alone would have given them a significant edge in resource acquisition. But as predators evolved, so did the need for defense. The saber-toothed cats, dire wolves, and other formidable carnivores of the time weren't going to let a delicious proboscidean go igly. Here's where tusks truly transformed into a weapon. Their sheer size and strength made them a formidable deterrent. A swift, powerful swing could fend off an attacker, inflicting serious injury or even death. For a young or vulnerable proboscidean, having a massive, bone-like shield and spear protruding from its face was a gift. It was the ultimate biological armor, an offensive and defensive marvel. Consider the environment too. The landscape was dynamic. Climate shifts meant changing food availability and increased competition. Tusks weren't just for fighting, they were also for environmental manipulation. Need to break through thick ice to reach water. Tusks. Clear a path through dense vegetation. Tusks. Again. They were living excavators, enabling these giants to adapt to diverse habitats and unlock new food sources that were inaccessible to others. This adaptability was key to their long-term survival and diversification. And it wasn't just about survival against predators or the elements. Tusks played a crucial role in social dynamics within their herds. Larger, more impressive tusks often signaled strength, health, and dominance, influencing mating rituals and hierarchical structures. It was a visual display of fitness, a silent but powerful declaration of an individual's prowess. Think of it as a natural status symbol, essential for passing on their genes and ensuring the continuation of their lineage. So, from a simple digging tool, tusks evolved into a multifaceted instrument of survival, a foraging aid, a protective shield, a formidable weapon against predators, an environmental manipulator, and even a social signifier. It's a testament to the incredible power of natural selection, shaping life in astonishing ways over millions of years. The story of ivory, far from being just a material, is a thrilling narrative of adaptation, resilience, and the relentless drive to survive in a wild, untamed world. It's truly mind-boggling to think about how these creatures thrived for so long. Thanks, in no small part, to these incredible adaptations. What do you think's the most surprising use of tusks you learned about today? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this journey back in time, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Your support helps us bring these stories to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.